How to fix Spotify application? It's not responding on Spotify. Today, guys, I will show you the solution how to fix this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, you'll find here all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, open it like this and go to storage option and go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on first open, click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and update in your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.